So in this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to use the dashboard view in MARACOOS OceansMap. So by default, the dashboard view opens as a blank dashboard, but for this video, I've already loaded in a time series widget and a data point widget. So if the user would like to create additional data widgets, they can go in here to the Add Widgets tool and open this, and it gives the user several options of widgets to add to the dashboard. The Insights tool allows the user to open a pre-made dashboard. So right now we have these two options here. Over here, this button is to get how the user can get back to the map view. On the top right, we have the same options as the map view, the privacy policy, about, and how to change the unit system. The lock here, so by default, the dashboard is locked, which means I can edit, I can look at different views of the widgets, but I cannot move them around or scale them or edit them. So if I reset that and if I unlock the dashboard, you can see that these options appeared in the lower right corner. So I can delete the widget, I can edit the widget, I can scale the widget, and I can also move the widgets around. So if I lock that again, this button here allows the user to create a permalink of the scenario they are looking at on the dashboard. So if I go to create URL and copy that and paste it into a new tab, this will open the dashboard view of MARACOOS to that specific scenario we were just looking at. And when that data loads in, you can see it will line up exactly with what we were just looking at.